Meaning of fender bender.
Fender bender.
Fender bender.
Fender bender.
Fender bender. Fender bender is a term used to describe a minor car accident in which two vehicles collide with each other at low speed, typically resulting in little to no damage to either vehicle. The term originated from the fact that the accident usually only results in a dent or scratch on the fender of one or both vehicles involved. Although not as serious as a major car accident, a fender bender can still cause inconvenience, traffic congestion, and potential injuries to the drivers and passengers involved.